Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out the Motorola Razr 2025, straight from Cricket Wireless. Let's unfold what makes this foldable so sleek. Segment 1. Price and availability. According to Cricket, this beauty starts at $199.99. But here's the catch. That price is available when you activate a new line with the Supreme Unlimited plan. It's the first month service charge and applicable taxes due at purchase. Segment 2. Design and display. This phone rocks an ultra-compact design with a 6.9-inch FHD Plus poled main display that features a silky 120Hz refresh rate. Even when closed, you can access most apps through the 3.6-inch external display, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The Razr 2025 is available in 3 colors: Gibraltar Sea, Spring Bud, and Parfait Pink, giving you options to match your style. And for those who love luxury editions, Cricket also offers a Swarovski version of the Razr 2025, which features handset crystals and a matching accessory bundle. Segment 3. Power and performance. Here's what's powering this device under the hood. An octa-core processor, or A78 cores at 2.6 GHz plus 4 A55 cores at 2.0 GHz, up to 256 GB of internal storage. A 4,500 mAh battery, backed by 30-watt turbo power charging, which gets you about 12 hours of use in just 15 minutes. Optional 15-watt wireless charging. Charger sold separately. Segment 4. Camera and AI features. On the camera front, there's a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide or macro, and a crisp 32-megapixel front selfie camera, all backed by Moto AI, which brings clever features like Catch Me Up, Pay Attention, Remember This, Style Sync, and fun text-to-image stickers. Segment 5. Durability and extras. It's built tougher too. A titanium-reinforced hinge, IP48 dust and splash resistance, and Gorilla Glass Victus help protect those delicate components. Segment 6. Value and final thoughts. To recap, 总结. Price, $199.99 with plan. Main display, 6.9 inches, FHD plus 120Hz. External display, 3.6 inches Gorilla Glass. Battery, 4,500 mAh with fast charge. Camera, 50 megapixel and 13 megapixel rear, 32 megapixel front with Moto AI. Durability, titanium hinge, IP48 Gorilla Glass. Colors, Gibraltar Sea, Spring Bud, Parfait Pink. Luxury option, Swarovski edition, available at Cricket. At under $200, plus plan, the Razr 2025 delivers flagship tier polish, foldable flare, AI smarts, and solid battery life. Definitely worth considering if you're